Saturday, March 14th, 2015. Vicksburg Bike Wrecks rides a 30-mile round trip in the fog south from Lorman, Mississippi on the Natchez Trace. And that's me, the only bent rider.
Time 1 hour, 7 minutes, 48 seconds. Distance 15 miles. Speed 13.3 miles per hour. Split speed 12.5 miles per hour.
Alright, my booty is sore, Paul.
What?
25 miles.
And after the ride, a big buffet lunch at the Lorman General Store.
Grandmama, my grandma was a cornbread cooking queen, and she's cooking right here in the old country store. And she's cooking right here in the old country store. 2-piece chicken and a biscuit, get it while it's hot. 2 pork chops and a biscuit, get it while it's hot. Grandmama, grandmama, grandmama was a cornbread cooking queen. Nominated, and we all can crown him the fried chicken cooking king.
Long way, we go way back. I was raised in this community when that was the post office, the water department, the Western Union. That's right. All this was a museum upstairs, downstairs. That's right. Your water parks was on this side. Anything you wanted, you got right here. That's right.
They got me. They call me Mr. D. My grandmama was the cornbread cooking queen. You know, grandmama raised me to be of all things. I am the chicken cooking king. My fact, been said, Colonel had the recipe, he'd be a 5-star general. And Bluto wouldn't stand a chance if Popeye had it. But I got it out of love and I can't think of another thing to have to get it wrong. And I've been working on it since 2 o'clock this morning. Sugar pie, honey bun. You know that he loves you. Just can't help himself loving you and no one else. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Really jealous.
It is about the food.
Is the Germantown group going to ride?
Ice cream dripping on the side.
This is a slice of Mississippi. Y'all come ride with us.